The demands placed on corporate treasurers are growing. On top of managing the company's financial health, they're being asked to help with strategy and ensure that cash is used most effectively. In a world where treasurers are expected to have complete visibility over working capital, cash management is one of their biggest challenges. I'm about to meet with Dick Oskam, Global Head of Transaction Services Sales, to discuss some of the digital solutions being created to help treasurers make faster and better informed decisions. What are the biggest challenges that corporate treasurers face today in managing their cash flows?
Yeah, so corporate treasurers face increasing uncertainty as well as complexity in the activities that they're responsible for. And at the same time, they're asked to do more with as little resources as possible. So it's all about centralization and automation wherever possible.
And in this space, ING has created a tool called Virtual Cash Management. Can you explain a little about what this is and how it works?
Yeah, so virtual cash management has been developed with the input of many of our clients. It's a proprietary system of ING, and it is all about going to one single bank account in Europe without losing the benefits of local payments.
What are the benefits of this tool? What value does it create for corporate treasurers?
Yeah, the benefits are quite a number, and when presenting this back to clients, actually we discovered some new benefits as well that some clients were very much interested in. First of all, it's going back to one single bank account. So you literally, if you today operate across Europe with, let's say, 200-300 bank accounts, and you can go back to one bank account only in Europe, that gives you savings on the administration side in the different countries that you operate in. Secondly, it concentrates your cash positions at any point in time into one single location. So that in itself gives you benefits, for example, in managing your FX positions in the different currencies. But there's also less fraud risk. By centralizing all your payments into one location and your cash position, you're minimizing your fraud risk. And another benefit that actually we discovered along the way was a lot of clients see this as an important tool managing with tax authorities locally in countries. So whilst the idea of SEPA, for example, was to really go back to one bank account, that didn't work because tax authorities, for example, for VAT repayments, still require a local bank account in the name of a local entity in order to repay VAT. And we have factored that in, so we do offer those virtual IBANs, which are true IBANs in the clearing. So for example, the tax authorities, this is an account in the name of a local subsidiary in the country of domicile, whilst it is a virtual account in reality.
Seems like a lot of upside then for the customers. What other feedback have you got about their experience with this tool to date? Yeah,
so we've presented this to well over 100 clients by now across Europe, and I have to say, without exception, we get very positive feedback. The first clients have gone live with us already, and obviously more to follow. And without exception, all very enthusiastic about the solution that we have designed. And again, it has been designed also with a lot of input from our clients.
So looking ahead, how will virtual cash management develop going forward?
Yeah, so PSD2 is facilitating the open banking process significantly, and that's going to happen in the near future. Our proprietary tool, Virtual Cash Management, is designed in such a way that it captures all the benefits that open banking will offer our clients. And you have to think about working with non-ING bank accounts, so we can initiate payments on non-ING bank accounts directly. But also very important is all about data and data analytics. So with the different sources of data that open banking are going to deliver to our clients, we're going to help them much more to do predictive data analytics, which means that they can, for example, forecast their cash flow more accurate than today. And they can look for different and new reportings, but also insights into customer behavior, for example, which they might find benefit in developing new business propositions.
Dick, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.